Hey, it's Doug coming to you from If the Stones Could Talk. And we are doing some rock hunting, rock hounding. We found a new creek here that's just loaded with artifacts. And we're coming across some mammoth effigies here, tool, scraper. Take a look at this one. Look at that. There's your scraping edge right there. See how it's been worked, napped, and they use that to draw down a piece of wood to make a shaft, debark it. Good old rockhound Milo helped me find it. What do you think, Milo? Does it look like an elephant? Milo likes it. It must be something. Let me know what you think in the comments. God bless. Bye for now.